So that was thalassemia. And then you have sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal linked recessive trait. And this disease is controlled by a single pair of allele HBA and HBS. ये हमने ऑलरेडी किया था. HBA, HBS. उसमें 3 टाइप के जीनोटाइप हैं. Which are the 3 types of genotype? HBA, HBA ये बन जाएगा नॉर्मल. HBS, HBS will suffer from sickle cell anemia and die. बच्चा मर जाएगा. It's a lethal gene. And HBA, HBS is a carrier. So ये heterozygous. तो ये homozygous normal, ये homozygous sickle cell anemia dead और ये heterozygous. तो सर्वाइव कौन होता है?
नॉर्मल वाले और कैरियर.
नॉर्मल और कैरियर सर्वाइव होते हैं. बाकी जो HBS, HBS है वो सिकल सेल एनीमिया से मर जाते हैं. Why did this disease happen? This defect is caused by a substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the 6th position in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin. तो थैलेसीमिया कौन से चेन का डिसऑर्डर था? अल्फा या बीटा?
Either of the two.
थैलेसीमिया वाज अल्फा. ए अल्फा या ए बीटा का म्यूटेशन था थैलेसीमिया. और सिकल सेल एनीमिया कौन सा चेन का म्यूटेशन है?
बीटा.
बीटा चेन का म्यूटेशन है. सिकल सेल एनीमिया इज अ बीटा चेन म्यूटेशन. और उसमें म्यूटेशन कौन सा होता है? ग्लूटामिक एसिड is substituted by valine at the 6th position of the chain, and that is due to a single base pair substitution at the 6th codon of the beta globin chain from GAG to GUG. ये भी याद रखना, it's given in the NCERT. तो single base pair substitution at 6th codon of beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. तो ये ध्यान से सुनना सर. समझो यहां you have कोडोजीन्स. ये फर्स्ट कोडोजीन, सेकंड कोडोजीन, थर्ड कोडोजीन, फोर्थ कोडोजीन, फिफ्थ कोडोजीन which is on DNA. ये DNA पे है. And 6th कोडोजीन is GAG. तो what are these? What is this over here? DNA. और डीएनए के ऊपर 6th कोडोजीन. 6th कोडोजीन is GAG which pairs with CTC. GAG pairs with CTC, which is this codogene, 6th codogene on the DNA. 6th codogene on DNA. अभी GAG CTC. CTC is template. CTC is template. तो उससे कोडॉन कौन सा बनेगा? C will pair with G.
GAG.
A C G. तो if CTC is codogene, codon will become GAG. Codon will become GAG.
Yes.
Codon gets translated to form glutamic acid or glutamate. Glutamate. Now this is normal. तो 6th amino acid कौन सा है? Amino acid chain में 6th amino acid is glutamate. 6th amino acid is glutamate. In sickle cell anemia, second codogene or the second nucleotide of the codogene AT undergoes inversion to form TA. A और T invert हो जाएंगे तो what will this become? Instead of GAG GAG, it will become GTG. और यहां था CTC, this will become CAC. So who has undergone inversion? Second nucleotide. Second nucleotide. AT has undergone inversion to form TA. AT has become TA. So what will now CAC become? Codogene. यहाँ codogene कौन था? CTC. CTC was codogene. Now CAC becomes codogene. So CTC codes for which codon?
GAG.
GAG. और उससे कौन सा अमाइनो एसिड आएगा?
Glutamate.
अब अगर A और T इन्वर्ट हो गए हैं तो नाउ हु इज द न्यू कोडोजीन?
CAC.
TAC, क्योंकि T और A इन्वर्ट हो गए हैं. एंड व्हाट विल CAC कोड फॉर?
GUG.
DUG. So codon GAG की जगह codon has become GUG. And what is GAG code for?
Glutamate.
Glutamate. What will GUG code for?
Valine.
Valine. So now we're having sixth amino acid, glutamate substituted by valine. So what will happen because of this? Because of this, आपका A alpha, A beta, B alpha और B beta के अंदर beta chains have undergone a mutation. So oxygen, oxygen, oxygen और ऑक्सीजन, चार ऑक्सीजन की जगह अब बी अल्फा और बी बीटा दोनों म्यूटेट हो गए हैं. दोनों म्यूटेट हो गए हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ 4 HbO2, हाउ मेनी HbO2s आर नाउ फॉर्म्ड? 2 HbO2. So 2 HbO2 हो जाएगा. Now if it is 2 HbO2 only, तो एक आरबीसी के अंदर every hemoglobin instead of 4 HbO2 is now 2 HbO2. So oxygen holding capacity of the RBC will become less and RBC में oxygen कम हो जाएगा, आधा हो जाएगा, because of which the shape of the RBC instead of biconcave disc shape will now become sickle shape. समझो आपके पास एक बलून है, बलून को आप पूरी हवा से भर लो, बलून को आप पूरी हवा से भर लो, it will become like this. But उसमें से समझो आधी हवा निकाल दो, then the shape will become like this. So this is 4 HbO2. उससे सिकल शेप बाइकॉन्केव डिस्क शेप आरबीसी बनता है. अभी इसमें 2 HbO2 है क्योंकि बीटा ग्लोबिन चेन दोनों म्यूटेट हो गए हैं, तो 2 HbO2 है. तो व्हाट विल द शेप बिकम? इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइकॉन्केव डिस्क शेप इट विल बिकम सिकल शेप. तो ये सिकल शेप आरबीसी हो जाएगा and this disease is called as sickle cell anemia. समझ में all of you?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. Sir, over here, if they have said that beta chain undergoes mutation, then shouldn't B beta and A beta be mutated and not B beta and B alpha?
दोनों म्यूटेट होते हैं.
दोनों मतलब कौन से दो म्यूटेट होते हैं?
B alpha and B beta.
But how B alpha is getting mutated? Like if beta chain is what they are saying is getting mutated, then it should
be B beta. B beta.
Okay.
B beta. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, B beta. Yeah. Okay. And then you have phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of metabolism, which is again an autosomal recessive disorder. Again, autosomal recessive. This happens because of lack of an enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase. So, आपके ऑटोसोम पे एक जीन है, that gene codes for a protein called as phenylalanine hydroxylase, and phenylalanine hydroxylase का जीन म्यूटेट हो जाएगा, so there will be deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase. Now what does phenylalanine hydroxylase do? It converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. तो हमारे बॉडी में फिनाइलएलानाइन भी होता है, टायरोसिन भी होता है, बट हम लोग कुछ भी खाते हैं ना, खाने में टायरोसिन नहीं होता है, खाने में फिनाइलएलानाइन होता है। एंड हम लोग जो खाते हैं उसमें फिनाइलएलानाइन आपके बॉडी में आता है, एंड फिनाइलएलानाइन हाइड्रोक्सिलेज converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. So tyrosine is produced in the body. What do we eat? Phenylalanine. What does the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase do?
Converts it to
Convert phenyl
Into tyrosine. So what will happen अगर आपके बॉडी में phenylalanine hydroxylase नहीं है?
Accumulation of phenylalanine.
So phenylalanine will not get converted into tyrosine, and that will result in accumulation of phenylalanine. So your blood phenylalanine levels will increase, and that will result in phenylalanine gets accumulated and gets converted into a chemical called as phenyl pyruvic acid. तो phenyl pyruvic acid बन जाएगा, and phenyl pyruvic acid goes into the brain and causes mental retardation. तो phenyl pyruvic acid mental retardation करेगा. So what does phenylalanine get converted into? Phenyl pyruvic acid, and what does it result in? Mental retardation. अच्छा, what will become less in the blood?
Tyrosine.
Tyrosine बन ही नहीं रहा है, and tyrosine is required for keratin production and melanin production. So no tyrosine, तो keratin नहीं बनेगा. Keratin नहीं बनेगा, so there is a reduction in hair. Hair कम हो जाएंगे, and no tyrosine, तो melanin नहीं बनेगा. Melanin नहीं बनेगा, so there will be reduction in pigmentation. उस पर्सन के स्किन में मेलानिन की कमी हो जाएगी, एंड यूरिन के अंदर फिनाइल पायरुविक एसिड जो अक्यूमुलेट हुआ है ब्लड में वो पास होने लगेगा, एंड दैट विल गिव द यूरिन अ ब्लैक कलर, एंड दैट डिसऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लैक यूरिन डिसऑर्डर. So phenylketonuria is black urine disorder. तो ये नीट में बहुत बार पूछा गया है, what kind of disorder is phenylketonuria? An autosomal recessive disorder. It's an autosomal recessive disorder. Which enzyme is missing?
Phenylalanine hydroxylase.
Phenylalanine hydroxylase. What does phenylalanine hydroxylase convert?
Phenylalanine to tyrosine.
Phenylalanine to tyrosine. So what will happen अगर phenylalanine hydroxylase कम है? Phenylalanine will increase, tyrosine will decrease.
And
What will phenylalanine get converted into?
Phenyl pyruvic acid.
Phenyl pyruvic acid, which goes in the brain and causes mental retardation. And what will happen in absence of tyrosine? Production of
Reduction in hair and
pigmentation loss होगा.
pigmentation in
keratin और
skin.
pigmentation नहीं होगा.
So no tyrosine, तो keratin कम बन जाएगा, so reduction in hair, and melanin कम हो जाएगा, तो pigmentation of skin will not take place. And what is that phenylpyruvic acid is excreted in urine.
Urine.
What color will it give to urine?
Black.
Black color.
Black color. What is the disease called as? Black
Black
urine
urine.
disorder. Chalo. Have you understood this, all of
Yes.
you? Okay. We'll just take a 3-4 minute break and we'll go into the most important part of the day, pedigree charts. इसके बहुत chances है हर second alternative year of NEET वो लोग आपको एक pedigree chart बता दें. So you all must have done it last year, but I will explain you again all the pedigree charts and how to solve a pedigree chart. Okay, we'll just take a 3-4 minute break and I'll be back. Ciao. All right, so yes, we now go into a very nice logic called as pedigree analysis. ये बहुत interesting भी है और बहुत important भी है. Let's understand this in detail. How is pedigree charting done? So what are the rules of pedigree? I'm sure you all know this. What is a square?
Male.
Presents a male.
Without any color in it. So a plain square is a male. What is the circle?
Unaffected female.
Female.
Without any color. Unaffected female. And a rhombus means they have not specified the sex. You have to find out the sex. And what is the meaning of colored circle or colored square?
They are affected.
Affected.
They are affected. And उनके बीच में line यानी उनका meeting. अगर there are double lines means meeting between relatives, closely related, consanguineous. और उनके बीच में meeting से ये आते हैं offsprings और progenies. और ये वाले colored नहीं है. So these are non-diseased. And ये वाले अगर colored आते हैं तो father and mother is non-diseased. But child is diseased. Father and mother is non-diseased, but child is diseased. तो ये rules of pedigree है. अभी pedigree के अंदर you have Mendelian disorders, hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, phenylketonuria, thalassemia. ये मैंने जो नाम लिए उसमें से कौन सा वाला X-linked recessive है?
Hemophilia.
Hemophilia.
Hemophilia is X-linked recessive and color blindness is X-linked recessive. So hemophilia and color blindness are X-linked recessive. Whereas cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria and thalassemia are autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive. And you may have तो 4 टाइप के डिसऑर्डर होते हैं, ये पहले समझ लेना. ये है ऑटोजोम और ये है सेक्स क्रोमोसोम. ऑटोजोम पे alleles है. And if a allele becomes diseased, allele mutate हो जाएगा. What will the mutated allele usually become?
Recessive.
Recessive. Mutated allele becomes recessive and normal allele or wild gene becomes dominant. याद है ये? इसलिए X capital C, X small c, जो हमने last lecture किया था. What is this person? Is this person colorblind or carrier?
Carrier.
Carrier.
Carrier, because capital C becomes dominant over small c. तो कौन से कंडीशन में कलर ब्लाइंडनेस होगा?
And
Who's
both
a-
are recessive.
जब भी
small
बहुत recessive हो
x small c में कलर ब्लाइंडनेस होगा. So an autosomal recessive disorder, is only when you have disease gene and disease gene. Both are diseased, mutated, तो एक्सप्रेस होगा. बट एक नॉर्मल वाइल्ड है और एक डिजीज्ड है, तो व्हाट विल दैट पर्सन बिकम? Phenotypically normal,
Carrier.
carrier होगा.
phenotypically carrier. But there are disorders, autosomal, in which the mutated gene becomes dominant. Mutated gene becomes dominant and the normal gene becomes recessive. तो म्यूटेटेड जीन डोमिनेंट हो जाएगा और नॉर्मल जीन रिसेसिव हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज सच अ टाइप ऑफ डिजीज कॉल्ड एज?
Autosomal dominant.
ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट. तो एक है ना, पूरा लिस्ट है हमारे पास. चेक दिस हियर सर. ये है ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर्स. यू हैव albinism, in which a person has no skin color, is autosomal recessive. Or you have alkaptonuria, or blue eyes, or cystic fibrosis, which affects lungs. Tongue non-rollers, tongue roll nahi kar pa rahe. That we roll the tongue, they can't roll the tongue. Tongue non-rollers. Or Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, in which muscles become paralyzed. Or Tay-Sachs disease, or fused earlobes. Earlobe fuse ho jata hai. And phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. What are all these? Autosomal recessive disorder. Whereas you have autosomal dominant disorder, in which the disease gene becomes dominant and the normal gene becomes recessive. उसमें बहुत सारे हैं, but two you remember. एक है achondroplasia, जिसमें फिंगर्स छोटी हो जाती है. ब्रैकिडेक्टाइली achondroplasia, जिसमें फिंगर्स में कैल्शियम नहीं होता है, सॉरी बोन्स में कैल्शियम नहीं होता है, is achondroplasia. Or brachydactyly, in which fingers become short. Or brown eyes. Blue eyes is recessive, brown eyes dominant. Or you have Huntington's disease. Or you have tongue rollers. Tongue non-rollers are recessive, tongue rollers are dominant. Or you have Marfan syndrome. Or you have phenylthiocarbamide PTC tasting. ये एक केमिकल होता है जो हम लोग टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट जिसको डिसऑर्डर होता है उसको पीटीसी फिनाइलथायोकार्बामाइड का टेस्ट आता है. सो अगर टेस्ट आता है, इट्स एन ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट डिसऑर्डर. एंड फ्री ईयरलोब्स, फ्यूज ईयरलोब्स आर ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव, फ्री ईयरलोब्स आर ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट. एंड देन यू हैव पॉलीडैक्टाइल. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट याद रखना. अलोंग विथ 5 फिंगर्स देयर इज अ 6th finger. तो 6 finger. ऋतिक रोशन के थंब के ऊपर और एक थंब है. All of you have seen it. Now that condition is called as polydactyly, and it is an autosomal dominant disorder. ये वाला खास याद रखना. They will ask you questions on polydactyly. In the past NEET papers, they have asked polydactyly is. And you have to remember, polydactyly is an autosomal dominant disorder. Polydactyly is an autosomal dominant disorder. And aniridia, absence of iris. Absence of iris. जिसमें iris ही develop नहीं होता है, means pupil बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है and too much light enters the eye. So that will cause retinal damage. And that is an autosomal dominant disorder. तो recessive disorders के लिए remember albinism, tongue non-roller, fused earlobe, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. ये कॉमनली आज रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर होते हैं। उसमें फिनाइलकीटोन्यूरिया, सिकल सेल एनीमिया, थैलेसीमिया तो हमने अभी अभी डिस्क्राइब किए। ऑल आर ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव एंड टंग नॉन रोलर and fused earlobes are autosomal recessive. Albinism याद रखना is autosomal recessive. And tongue rollers, phenylthiocarbamide PTC tasting, free earlobes and polydactyly are autosomal dominant disorder. उसमें खास याद रखना polydactyly is an autosomal dominant disorder. Extra sixth finger. Polydactyly is an autosomal dominant disorder. Chalo, so now that we have done these, let's go into different kinds of pedigrees. Now, this is going to be fun. ये interactive होगा. मैं आपको question दूंगा, आपको answer solve करना है. And I want everybody's participation, not only Hemil, Hetvi and Shripad. I want all of you to participate. चलो, ये वाला एक पेडिग्री चार्ट दिया आपको. Can this be, now how many types of disorders you have? Autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant और Y-linked disease. तो 5 टाइप के डिसऑर्डर है. ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट है, ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव है, एक्स लिंक रिसेसिव है, एक्स लिंक डोमिनेंट है और वाई लिंक डिजीज है. नाउ इज दिस वाई लिंक्ड? वाई लिंक्ड विल पास फ्रॉम मेल टू मेल टू मेल टू मेल. वो तो सिंपल है.
It is not violent because it is there in females.
It is there in female. तो ये वाई लिंक नहीं है. Now, can this be X-linked?
No, sir.
Push के बोलो.
Because in males, due to the absence of another X chromosome, the usually in an X-linked disease, or X-linked diseases are usually can be seen in males also. So because there's an absence of another X chromosome to mask the effect of the mutated gene. But in
Excellent.
this case, all males are not affected.
Now check this here.
Basically,
Very
there
good,
will be a
beta.
Carrier female also.
This समझो this is X-linked recessive. X-linked recessive. अभी ध्यान से सुनना. ये अगर X-linked recessive है, then that means this is X small c, X small c.
Yes.
तो होगा color blindness. Now, what will the son get from father?
Why?
Why?
Why? Son will get from father. Why? What will son get from mother?
X.
XC.
Small c.
Small c.
Recessive.
X small c. Son will get from mother X small c. So what will the son become automatically?
Colorblind.
X
Affected.
small c y. X small c y. So if mother is X small c, son will get at least one X small c from mother. Means son will automatically become X small c y. That means son will become colorblind. So if golden words, if mother is colorblind, son has to be colorblind. If mother is colorblind, son has to be colorblind. So can this be X-linked recessive?
No.
No, sir.
No,
पॉसिबल
sir.
नहीं है, क्योंकि मदर कलर ब्लाइंड है तो सन को कलर ब्लाइंड होना ही पड़ेगा. और एक चीज, Daughter is colorblind. Daughter is colorblind. So what is daughter? X small c, X small c.
But
So 1x small c.
Father will have to be colorblind.
father
Ah.
Father will have to be
One
colorblind.
x small c has come from mother, but other x small c has to come from father. तभी जाके daughter will become x small c, X small c. So father will be X small c y. So father has to be colorblind. So if daughter is colorblind, father has to be colorblind. If daughter is colorblind, father has to be colorblind. So golden words. If mother is colorblind, son has to be colorblind. If daughter is colorblind, father has to be colorblind. If mother is colorblind, X small c, X small c, son has to be colorblind, X small c y. If daughter is colorblind, X small c, X small c, then the X small c has come from father, and father is X small c y, means father has to be colorblind. So, यहां मदर कलर ब्लाइंड है लेकिन सन नॉर्मल है, तो ये एक्स लिंक रिसेसिव नहीं है. डॉटर कलर ब्लाइंड है, डॉटर कलर ब्लाइंड है, बट फादर नॉर्मल है, तो ये एक्स लिंक रिसेसिव नहीं है. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yes.
So this is not Y-linked, not X-linked, not X-linked. So it could be autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive. Now check these rules. Samjho this is autosomal dominant. Autosomal dominant. So now this is autosomal dominant. So this is, ध्यान से हाँ, this is mutated gene, normal gene. Of which gene is dominant?
Mutated gene.
Mutated gene.
Mutated gene. So let us say mutated gene is bad gene and normal gene is good gene. So which gene is dominant?
Bad gene.
Bad
Bad
gene.
gene.
Bad gene is dominant over good gene. And this is normal. So this is good gene, good gene. Now, what did this child get?
Bad gene and
Bad
good gene.
gene.
Bad
Bad
gene.
gene and good gene.
Good gene. Right.
What did this child get?
Good one.
Good gene.
Good gene.
Good
Good
gene,
gene.
good gene.
Good.
What did this child get?
Good gene. Good gene.
Good gene, good gene. So what will their all children get?
GG.
Good gene.
Good gene, good gene,
All good gene.
all good genes. And what does this child get? अभी ध्यान से सुनना. Bad gene, good gene. Bad gene is dominant over good gene. And this is good gene, good gene. What did this child get?
Bad gene.
Gene and good
Bad
gene.
gene.
Bad
Bad
gene.
gene from mother, good gene from father. And married a good gene, good gene. And what did this child get?
Both males have
Good
got
gene. Good gene.
Good gene. Good gene.
Good gene. What does this child get?
bad gene. Good.
Bad gene.
Good
Good
gene.
gene.
Bad gene and good gene. So this is fitting. This is fitting. The bad gene has gone from one generation to the next generation. To the next generation. So bad gene has gone from one generation to next generation to next generation. So ये fit हो रहा है. Autosomal dominant disorder. If it skips one generation, then it won't be found in the next generation. It won't be found in the next generation. क्योंकि यहाँ गुड जीन ही है. एक भी बैड जीन होता था तो वो डिजीज हो जाता था. तो autosomal dominant has passed from one generation to next generation to next generation. Pass from generation to generation without skipping a generation. Suppose it skips one generation, middle generation ये skip हो गया, then it will not be found in the next generation. It won't be found in the next generation. Then that is autosomal dominant. So ये वाला example है autosomal dominant. Now to understand it, let's compare it with this disorder.
Sir, I have a doubt. Why is this not X-linked dominant?
We'll come to it.
Okay.
अभी ये पहले सुन लेना. This is normal and this is diseased. This is diseased. This is diseased. So can this be autosomal dominant?
No.
No, sir.
Parents would have added then.
Correct.
Parents
अगर
are
ये
carried.
autosomal dominant है, that means ये है bad gene, good gene, bad gene, good gene. Then bad gene must have come from one of the parents. Bad gene must have come from one of the parents. तभी जाके ये bad gene, good gene हुआ ना. और bad gene would have been dominant over good gene. Bad gene, good gene पे dominant होता था. तो parent भी colored उसे होने वाले चाहिए थे. Parents भी colored होते थे. Parent अगर colored नहीं है and child colored है, then this cannot be bad gene, good gene with bad dominant over good gene and being autosomal dominant. Autosomal dominant नहीं है क्योंकि this bad gene has come from one of the parents and parents are showing good gene. एक भी bad gene है ही नहीं. So if it is skipping a generation and coming in the next generation, can it be autosomal dominant?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
It has to be autosomal. It cannot be
Recessive.
autosomal dominant. So this would be autosomal recessive. अब सुनना, there is good gene, bad gene, and good gene, bad gene. But यहाँ good gene is dominant over bad gene. So what are these both become? Carriers.
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 दोनों carriers हो गए. अभी इस child में क्या आया?
Both recessive. Homozygous recessive.
Bad
Bad gene,
gene.
bad gene. इस child में bad gene आ गया. Now इस child में क्या आया?
Good genes. But we don't.
Good gene.
Be carriers.
Maybe good gene, bad gene, or bad good gene, good gene.
एक parent से आया good gene, दूसरे से आया bad gene. And this marries another carrier, good gene, bad gene. तो इस child में क्या आया?
Good genes.
Good genes.
Good genes.
और इस child में क्या आ गया?
Bad
Bad
gene.
Bad genes.
Bad gene. So golden word, this was good bad. This was good bad. This was good bad. This was good bad. And good gene was dominant over bad gene. And this one has got bad 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 bad. तो ये हो गया diseased. तो golden words, if it skips 2 generations or skips a generation and found in the next generation, then this becomes autosomal recessive. If it skips a generation, or if it skips 2 generations or more generations and is found in the next generation, it becomes autosomal recessive. My golden words. What about autosomal dominant?
It
Words
will
are
never
important.
skip a
Does not skip
generation.
genes, generations.
It passes from generation to generation to generation. If it skips one generation, won't be found in the next generation. If it skips one generation, won't be found in the next generation. Then that is autosomal dominant. Autosomal recessive skips one generation, skips 2 generation, can skip any number of generations and can be found in the next generation. So अगर generation skip हुआ तो दूसरे generation में नहीं आएगा. एक generation skip हुआ तो दूसरे generation में नहीं आएगा. ये कौन सा disorder है?
Autosomal
dominant.
Autosomal dominant. और एक जनरेशन स्किप हुआ, दूसरा जनरेशन स्किप हुआ और तीसरे जनरेशन में आया, तो ये कौन सा हो जाएगा?
Autosomal
Autosomal
recessive.
recessive.
Autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive. So now ये ना मैं आपको आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे दे दूंगा. ये रूल्स याद रख लेना. फॉर X-linked recessive, for X-linked recessive, if mother is diseased, son has to be diseased. And if daughter is diseased, father has to be diseased. For X-linked recessive, for X-linked recessive, for autosomal dominant, passes from generation to generation without skipping a generation. If it skips one generation, won't be found in the next generation. Then that is autosomal dominant. And autosomal recessive can pass from generation to generation by skipping a generation. तो ये वापस मैं दिखा देता हूं. For X-linked recessive, X-linked recessive, X small c, if mother is diseased, son has to be diseased. Then it is X-linked recessive. Or if daughter is diseased, X small c, then father has to be diseased, X small cy, for color blindness. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
for X-linked recessive, for X-linked recessive, if mother is diseased, then son has to be diseased. Or if daughter is diseased, then father has to be diseased. For X-linked recessive. For now, ध्यान से, for autosomal dominant, it passes from generation to generation to generation without skipping a generation. If it skips one generation, cannot be found in the next generation. Then it is autosomal dominant. And autosomal recessive can skip one generation, skip next generation, and can be found in the third generation. तो ये जनरेशन में आ सकता है. तो ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव. तो ये वाला कौन सा हो गया?
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant. और ये वाला, कैन दिस बी एक्स लिंक्ड? ये वाला एक्स लिंक्ड हो सकता है?
नहीं होगा सर. It is not possible because if it was possible तो वो mother to son जाता.
यहां डॉटर डिजीज है,
And daughter will be carrier if it is X-linked most of the time.
अभी डॉटर डिजीज है बेटा, डॉटर डिजीज है तो समझो एक्स स्मॉल सी है फॉर कलर ब्लाइंडनेस.
So,
So where has one x small c come from?
Father.
Father.
So your father has to be diseased.
Father has to be diseased, na?
all sons also.
If mother is diseased, sorry, if daughter is diseased, father has to be diseased for x small c y to become x small c color blindness. हाँ या ना?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If daughter is diseased, father has to be diseased. अभी अभी हमने किया ना, mother is diseased, तो son has to be diseased. And daughter is diseased, तो father has to be diseased. समझ में आ रहा है all of you मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं?
Yes sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If mother is x small c, what does x small c stand for? Color blindness.
Colorblind.
X small c is for color blindness. If mother is x small c color blind, then son will get 1x small c from mother and y from father. Then what will son become? X small c y.
Affected.
Colorblind.
Son will become color blind. So if mother is color blind, son has to be color blind. If mother is color blind, son has to be color blind. And if daughter is x small c, color blind, तो एक x small c मदर से आया, बट एक x small c फादर से आया ना, तब जाके डॉटर बिकेम x small c. तो अगर daughter is x small c for color blind, x linked recessive for color blind, whereas x small c come from father. So what is father? X small c y. That means father is x small c y, means father has to be colorblind. ये बहुत important है. Are you all understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you understood?
Yes, sir.
If mother is colored, diseased, then son has to be diseased for X-linked recessive. Or if daughter is diseased, then father has to be diseased for X-linked recessive like color blindness, hemophilia. तो यहां मदर डिजीज है और सन डिजीज नहीं है, तो ये एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव नहीं है. सिमिलरली डॉटर डिजीज है और फादर डिजीज नहीं है, तो ये एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव नहीं है, तो ये एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव नहीं है. सिमिलरली यहां पर भी डॉटर डिजीज है और फादर डिजीज नहीं है, फादर नॉर्मल है, तो ये एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव नहीं है. तो ये कौन सा डिसऑर्डर हो सकता है?
Autosomal
X-linked नहीं है,
recessive.
Y-linked नहीं है, autosomal. And if it passes from generation to generation without skipping a generation, and if it skips one generation, not found in the next generation, so it is autosomal dominant. And if it skips one generation, skips second generation, and is found in the third generation, तो ये कौन सा हो गया? Autosomal recessive. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you all understood yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Everybody? Chalo.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
now we will take some examples. I will show you pedigree of all the types. autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive and Y-linked. तो श्रीपत तू पूछ रहा था ना X-linked dominant, देखो उसका एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम लोग. Tell me which is this disorder. Read the question carefully and answer.
This is polydactyly.
Polydactyly.
Polydactyly तो autosomal dominant.
Now check it out. अगर क्वेश्चन ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ा, ये है फादर, ये है सन, ये है ग्रैंडसन, और ये है फादर, ये है सन. तो ये कौन सा डिसऑर्डर हो सकता है? पासिंग फ्रॉम मेल टू मेल टू मेल.
Y-linked.
Can be Y-linked, like hypertrichosis. So it can be Y-linked also, huh? But question में ही दिया है, child has got extra fingers and toes. What is extra fingers and toes?
Polydactyly.
Polydactyly.
Which we know is an autosomal dominant disorder. तो देखो, अगर तुम्हें मालूम नहीं था कि extra fingers and toes is polydactyly with an autosomal dominant disorder, you would have marked Y-linked. So read the question very carefully. This was asked in AIMS 2009. तब एम्स की अलग से एग्जाम होती थी ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट मेडिकल साइंसेज की, और इसमें ये पूछा था. मेजॉरिटी स्टूडेंट्स आई रिमेंबर दैट ईयर had marked this question as Y-linked because they thought it is passing from male to male to male. तो hypertrichosis सोचा था सबने, but question में दिया है extra fingers and toes. So that is polydactyly, which is an autosomal dominant disorder. हाँ तो ये अच्छा है. First question only very beautiful.
Sir, if in the question it wasn't mentioned that extra fingers and toes, then Y-link would have been correct, no?
तो Y-link correct हो सकता था.
So we have
तो
to,
Y-link correct हो सकता है.
तो सर बेसिकली सिर्फ क्वेश्चन को बराबर से एनालाइज करने और
हाँ,
Modern
पहले
case.
क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ने का बेटा.
But sir, in the pedigree, it is also evident that it is going from the father to son to grandson.
बराबर है.
वाइलिंग तो हाइपरट्रिकोसिस के लिए ना, और उसमें एक्स्ट्रा फिंगर्स बोला एंड
एक्स्ट्रा
पॉलीडेक्टाइल.
फिंगर्स ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में ही बोला है ना बेटा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसलिए.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this question. Check this here. Mother is diseased and sons are diseased. तो ये कौन सा डिसऑर्डर है? मदर इज डिजीज, सन्स आर डिजीज, कौन सा डिसऑर्डर है?
X-linked recessive.
X-linked disorder.
X-linked recessive. X-linked recessive, and as it is, they have given only XXC and Y, which is diseased. तो उसके अंदर it is given only it is XX chromosome, X-linked chromosome. Now check this here. This is diseased. So mother is X small c, and father is X capital C Y. In other words, XY, and mother is X small c, X beats X capital C. Now, what will B become? Diseased है, so X small c Y. B. तो A क्या है? X small c, for color blindness. What is B? X small c Y. What is C?
It is carrier.
Carrier.
Now check next generation is diseased. ये diseased है, so this is X small c Y. X small c Y.
Yes.
So where does Y come from?
The male.
Father.
Father.
So where does X small c come from?
Mother.
Mother. So mother is not diseased. Mother is not diseased. But mother is producing a son who is diseased.
So she is a carrier.
So the mother has to be a carrier of X-linked. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This has to be X small c, X capital C, where capital C is dominant over small c. So normal gene is dominant over recessive gene. So she is not diseased. She is not diseased. She is normal. But her son becomes diseased. So if son is X small c Y, mother has to be X capital C, X small c. So mother has to be carrier. So what is C? Carrier. एक मिनट समझ में आ रहा है? मुझे रिएक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Yes.
और D क्या हो जाएगा? D.
E will be
Has
normal.
to be XY.
Normal.
Perfect. Yeah.
D is normal, तो XY. D is normal, तो XY. So what is C? Carrier.
Carrier.
X capital C, X small c. And what is D?
Normal.
X
Normal.
capital
Normal.
CY or XY. Have you understood this?
Yes.
तो ये
Yes.
X-linked recessive. Golden word याद रखना. If mother is diseased and sons are diseased, if mother is diseased and sons are diseased, then it is X-linked recessive. Mother is diseased and sons are diseased, then it is X-linked recessive. Now, this is a good question. ये वाला कौन सा है? See this pedigree chart.
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal
Autosomal
recessive.
recessive.
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive. It is skipping one generation, skipping next generation, and found in the third generation. तो ये कौन सा disorder है?
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive. समझ में आया all of you? So this is inheritance of a condition like phenylketonuria as autosomal recessive disorder. Now, tell me this one. श्रीपद ये वाला बोल.
सर ये आई गेस एक्स लिंक डोमिनेंट होगा क्योंकि इसमें फादर
From normal mother and a diseased father, diseased daughters are coming. That's why.
Daughters are there.
Correct. Now this is autosomal X-linked dominant. So this is X disease Y. And this is X normal. So X disease Y, of which X disease is autosomal dominant. X-linked dominant. X-linked dominant. Now check this. Where has it gone? The son got from father which chromosome?
Y chromosome.
Y.
Chromosome.
Y. And from the mother, what gene has gone to the son?
X normal.
Normal.
X normal. What has daughter got from mother?
X normal.
X normal.
X normal.
X normal. But what did daughter get from father?
X disease.
X diseased.
X diseased. Of which diseased is dominant over normal. X diseased and Y, and this is X normal. What did both daughters get from mother? X normal.
X normal.
But what did both daughters get from father?
X diseased.
X disease. So what are both daughters? X disease, X normal, of which disease is dominant over normal. So what is that? X-linked dominant. X-linked dominant. So golden words. If father is diseased and daughters are diseased, but sons are normal, then it is X-linked dominant. ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है यार, याद रखना. अगर father is diseased and only daughters are diseased and sons are normal, then it is X-linked dominant. So have we understood golden rules? Golden rules that if mother is diseased and sons are diseased, then it is X-linked recessive. X-linked recessive. If mother is diseased and sons are diseased, X-linked recessive. And if father is diseased and daughters are diseased, but sons are normal, then it is X-linked dominant. So mother disease, son diseased, X-linked recessive. Father diseased, daughter diseased, but sons are normal, X-linked dominant. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
ये
sir.
वाला समझ में आया? Father is diseased and daughters are diseased, but sons are normal. This is an example of a X-linked dominant disorder. X-linked dominant disorder. श्रीपद समझ में आया बेटा? ये वाला X-linked dominant.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Ah, chal, good. Now, what is this disorder? Attached earlobes. Already question में दिया है. याद है किसी को attached earlobe
Recessive.
is
Recessive.
X-linked
Autosomal
recessive.
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 autosomal recessive.
Recessive.
Pre-earlobes are autosomal dominant, and attached earlobes are autosomal recessive. And anyway, this has skipped one generation and found in the next generation. Skip a generation and found in next generation कौन सा होगा?
Autosomal
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive. If it is autosomal dominant, will be found from generation to generation. Skip नहीं हो सकता है generation. तो एक तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ के ही मालूम पड़ सकता है attached earlobe is autosomal recessive, and anyway अगर वो भी याद नहीं है, if it skips one generation and found in the next generation, then it is autosomal recessive. समझ में आया all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then this one, carrier woman, carrier daughter, and diseased son.
X-linked recessive.
X-linked recessive.
X-linked
X-linked
recessive.
recessive, carrier woman, X capital C, X small c. And male is normal, X capital C, Y. So what did one daughter get? X capital C from mother, sorry, X capital C from father, and X small c from mother. So what did daughter become?
Carrier.
Carrier.
And what did son get from mother?
Affected.
Affected
X
gene.
small c. That is mutated gene, affected gene. And from father Y. So will become X small c Y. So that will become diseased. So golden word. If mother is carrier and son is diseased, mother is carrier and son is diseased, then that is an X-linked recessive disease. Then that is X-linked recessive. Clear?
Yes.
Now, sickle cell anemia. What kind of disorder it is?
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive.
Recessive.
Autosomal
Sir,
recessive. Now, what will be father, mother if child has to be diseased?
Carriers.
Carriers.
Carrier.
Both father and mother are normal.
They will be carriers.
Both will have to be carried.
carriers.
Both
Carrier.
have to be
No.
carriers. So this is HBA, HBS. Father and mother. So what are genotypes of parents? HBA, HBS, HBA, HBS. What will be first and third child? ये third child कौन सा होगा?
HBS, HBS.
PHHB.
ये तो diseased है. So this will be HBS, and this child will die. क्योंकि sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition. तो ये मर गया. ये वाला कौन सा होगा?
Carrier, because
Carrier.
Because next generation is showing diseased. Means this is HBS. So what is this? HBS, and what is the other parent also?
Carrier.
HBS. Both are carriers. और दोनों में से HBS आया and the child got sickle cell anemia and died. So what are both parents?
Heterozygous.
Heterozygous carriers.
Yes.
What
sir.
is first child?
Carrier.
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 What is third child?
Dead.
Disease.
Diseased.
Homozygous diseased. So carrier, diseased, carrier. तब जाके ये diseased हुआ. So for autosomal recessive disorder, parent has to be heterozygous. Autosomal recessive disorder, parent has to be diseased or parent has to be heterozygous. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is X-linked trait controlled by gene R. Now, find out ABCD. Now, ये बहुत simple है. What is A? Normal है.
हाँ, normal.
Normal.
So that is XX. What is B?
Disease.
R
Disease.
will be there.
Carrier.
So X small r Y.
Carrier.
Gene R से होता है ना X-linked trait. So
Yes.
X small r Y. Now C को देखना. अगर they have given you half colored and half white, उसका
Carrier.
मतलब ये है कि it is a carrier.
Carrier.
Half colored, half white. So it is X small r X, X small r X, and D is XY.
No.
D is XY. So this is simple. ये तो बहुत simple है. ये मतलब क्या है? आधा colored, आधा normal.
Carrier.
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 Heterozygous. They are heterozygous. Now you tell me, polydactyly is an autosomal dominant. ये question में ही दिया है.
Yes.
तो इसके अंदर फाइंड आउट करना है ये पेडिग्री में फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड मेंबर्स ऑफ द पेडिग्री. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट?
Father is affected.
Father is affected.
Father is affected, mother is normal, second child is affected, third generation is normal.
So one parent is heterozygous.
So this is polydactyly, capital P for polydactyly. And can this be capital P, capital P?
Yes, sir.
No, then the son will be
No.
It
polydactylous.
will also be.
तो सन को कैपिटल पी आ जाएगा ना.
हाँ सर.
तो सन विल बी पॉलीडैक्टाइलस. तो सन डिजीज होना चाहिए, बट सन तो नॉर्मल दिया है. तो व्हाट इज दिस सन? स्मॉल p, स्मॉल p.
हाँ.
This son is small p. So what is mother? Small p, small p. Normal है.
Normal.
Father
हाँ.
is diseased. But can it be capital P, capital P?
No.
No.
नहीं तो ये small p नहीं हो सकता है.
हाँ.
तो father is capital P, small p.
Heterozygous.
Father is heterozygous. Capital P, small p. So what is father? Capital P, small p. What is mother? Small p, small p. What is this son?
Small p, small p.
Small p, small p.
Unaffected.
What is this daughter?
Heterozygous.
Heterozygous.
Capital P.
Heterozygous.
Capital P, small p.
हाँ.
उसमें से ये child कौन सा आया?
सर एक मिनट, डॉटर सर स्मॉल पी होगी ना? एक सेकंड, नो
कैपिटल पी से
डॉटर
पॉलीडेक्टाइल
डिजीज है ना बेटा?
नहीं सर, वो कलर नहीं दिखा बराबर।
अच्छा, अभी
Render-
समझ में आ रहा है?
yes,
डॉटर
हाँ,
डिजीज
sir.
है, तो इट
हाँ,
हैज टू
sir.
बी कैपिटल पी स्मॉल पी।
सर कलर का थोड़ा वो हो गया ना, वाइट।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
हाँ सर दिखा अभी।
और ये कौन सा है?
स्मॉल
स्मॉल पी। तो उसमें से ये चाइल्ड कौन सा आएगा?
पी
स्मॉल पी। और ये सब तीनों चिल्ड्रन में क्या आ जाएगा?
कैपिटल पी
कैपिटल
कैपिटल पी आ जाएगा। कैपिटल पी विल कम फ्रॉम डॉटर टू द grandchildren. So all these three children will get capital P. And what will this child become? Small p. So ये क्या है? Capital P small p. Capital P dominant over small p. ये है small p. ये है small p. ये है capital P small p. तो diseased. और ये हो गया small p. तो normal. और ये तीनों क्या आ जाएंगे?
कैपिटल पी आएगा तीनों में
मदर से कैपिटल पी आएगा।
कैपिटल।
तो whereas disease pass from generation to generation to next generation without skipping a generation.
ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट।
So if it passes from generation to generation without skipping a generation, it is an autosomal dominant disorder. अभी धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा है? Are you all getting pedigrees?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. With more and more solving, you will get this easily. Now, which is this disorder?
ऑटोसोमल
recessive.
It is skipping generation.
हाँ, तुम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है। ये वाइलिंग हो सकता है?
नहीं सर।
नहीं सर।
फादर अगर डिजीज नहीं है तो ये वाइलिंग नहीं हो सकता है।
नहीं।
For Weiling, all three had to be diseased.
Yes.
So it is not Weiling. So can this be autosomal dominant?
No.
No sir.
No, sir.
If it skips
Won't be
one
able to skip it.
generation, it cannot be found in the next generation.
Parents are heterozygous.
So what is this one? Autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive. Good gene, bad gene, good gene, bad gene. And what will this become?
Bad gene.
Bad gene.
Bad gene.
Marriage a good gene, bad gene. What will this become?
Bad gene.
Bad gene.
And what will these become?
GG.
Good gene, good gene.
Good gene, bad gene, good gene, bad gene. Of which good gene is dominant over bad gene.
Yeah.
So autosomal recessive. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this one? Attach earlobe.
Autosomal recessive.
Autosomal recessive.
Skip for a generation.
So what are both parents?
Heterozygous है दोनों parents.
दोनों parents heterozygous हैं.
Heterozygous parent.
तब जाके ये दोनों डिजीज आए, ये नॉर्मल आए. So this is X capital F for normal gene, X small f for diseased gene. X capital F for normal gene, X small f for diseased gene. उसमें से ये चिल्ड्रन में क्या आया? कैपिटल F. और ये चिल्ड्रन में क्या आ गया?
रिसेसिव दोनों भी।
दोनों के X small f for free earlobes. Small f for free earlobes. समझ में आ रहा है all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So, what is this one?
Autosomal recessive. Parents are
Sickle cell anemia.
heterozygous.
दिया ही है. Anyway, it has skipped two generations and found in the next generation.
The third one.
Skip two generation, found in the next generation. So this is autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive. Myotonic dystrophy. What is Duchenne's muscular dystrophy or myotonic dystrophy?
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant.
Autosomal dominant. And anyway, passes from generation to generation. If it skips one generation,
It does not appear in the next one.
not found in the next generation. तो ये वाला याद रखना, this is autosomal dominant, passes from generation to generation. If it skips one generation, not found in the next generation. So that is autosomal dominant. Autosomal dominant. And what is this one? Albinism. Albinism. Albinism was what kind of disease?
Autosomal
Autosomal
recessive.
recessive.
Autosomal recessive.
It can skip a generation.
It is skipping generation. Huh?
It's skipping a generation. So, what will be both parents?
Heterozygous.
Parents are,
Heterozygous.
yes, heterozygous. So, it is X capital A, or rather, capital A, small a, capital A, small a, where capital A is dominant over small a. And what are both children? These two children.
Small a, small a.
Small a, small a.
And they become albinos. And what is second and third child?
They're
Normal.
normal. So
Different
capital A,
similarity.
Capital A, capital A,
Capital A,
or capital A, small a.
small a.
So it is autosomal recessive. Then what is this disorder?
Cytoplasmic inheritance.
So the
Passes from the mother
mother,
and doesn't pass
Because
from the
mother
father.
has only mitochondria.
because mother's cytoplasm is only transferred and only father's genetic information is transferred.
Correct. Check it here. ये superb question है. Last pedigree year, the disease has passed from mother to both daughter and son. But from daughter, it has passed to grandchildren. But from son, it has not passed to grandchildren. So mother से किधर गया? Son और daughter दोनों में. Daughter से दोनों children को गया. Son से एक भी children को नहीं गया. So what is this disorder? Check it here. This is cytoplasmic or mitochondrial inheritance. Now, what is mitochondrial inheritance?
Sir, can I try this one?
हाँ,
Explaining.
बोलो.
Sir, explain करने की try करूँ like. Then
हाँ,
you
बोल
can-
बोल हेमिल.
सर सो इन दिस साइटोप्लाज्मिक और माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल इनहेरिटेंस में हमें बेसिकली याद रखना है कि मदर का ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, फादर इज नॉट लाइक मतलब उसका कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है फादर का. सो लाइक द फर्स्ट मदर वाज अफेक्टेड, सो हर साइटोप्लाज्म हैज सम काइंड ऑफ कुछ गलत चीज है उसमें, लाइक समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट नीडेड. या सो इट इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू बोथ द सिबलिंग्स क्योंकि मॉम का ही साइटोप्लाज्म में मिलता है. द एग ओनली हैज मदर क्योंकि माँ ही एग बनाती है ना, तो ओवम इज ऑफ मदर and sperm is from father, so the father is transmitting only the genetic material, not the whole his genome like mitochondria cytoplasm. तो मेनली हमारी बॉडी में हमारी मॉम का ही साइटोप्लाज्म है और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. सो जब भी अभी ये डॉटर को हमने देखा तो शी मैरिड अ नॉर्मल मेल, सो हर डॉटर्स वर अफेक्टेड बिकॉज हर साइटोप्लाज्म वाज ट्रांसफर्ड. एंड इफ यू गाइस गेट कंफ्यूज विद द अफेक्टेड मेल, तो उसकी वाइफ नॉर्मल होगी तो उसकी वाइफ का नॉर्मल साइटोप्लाज्म उसके बच्चों को मिला होगा, सो दे आर अनअफेक्टेड.
Correct, correct. Did you all understand this? He's given a very nice
Yes,
explanation,
sir.
Emil. Very good,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
So see this. ये है egg और egg में है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. अभी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में म्यूटेशन हो गया. म्यूटेशन इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. नाउ जब स्पर्म आता है, क्या स्पर्म का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एग में जाता है?
नहीं.
नहीं.
चैप्टर में किया था.
Only
Production in
genetic.
humans.
Only nucleus passes. Only nucleus passes. So फादर का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया तो गिर जाता है. Middle piece and tail fall off. Only the head passes with nucleus. So where will this mutated mitochondria be found? In the zygote.
Very good.
In the zygote. And zygote can be son or daughter. Zygote can be son or daughter. So from mother, her mitochondria will get inherited to daughter as well as to son. And son के sperm में भी mitochondria आ जाएगा. Now, will the son inherit his sperm into next generation?
No.
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 If you remember, son के अंदर म्यूटेशन किधर है?
साइटोप्लाज्म में
साइटोप्लाज्म में, और साइटोप्लाज्म पास नहीं होगा सन से।
सन से साइटोप्लाज्म पास नहीं होगा, बिकॉज जब ये सन एक लेडी से मैरी करेगा, देन वेयर विल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बी इनहेरिटेड?
From the mother.
From the mother.
From the mother to both children. So son may be diseased with the mutated mitochondria, but mother का normal mitochondria दोनों बच्चों में आएगा तो दोनों बच्चे डिजीज नहीं होंगे। अच्छा, मदर वॉज डिजीज, डॉटर डिजीज हो गई, अभी डॉटर का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया म्यूटेटेड है, तो विल इट बी फाउंड इन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन?
Yes.
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 यस, क्योंकि मदर का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इनहेरिट होता है। सो मदर का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इनहेरिट होगा तो बोथ चिल्ड्रन विल गेट डिसऑर्डर। सो ध्यान से, वेयर हैज डिजीज गॉन फ्रॉम? लेडी,
To
from
children.
mother to daughter and son, but from daughter it went to both daughters or all children, but from son it will neither go to daughter nor to son. So what is that a disorder? It is a cytoplasmic or mitochondrial inheritance. Cytoplasmic or mitochondrial inheritance. चलो, did you all understand this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
सब
Yes, sir.
पेडिग्री पे अब भी कंट्रोल आ रहा है पेडिग्री पे?
हाँ।
इतने सारे पेडिग्री किए अभी हमने।
Yes,
चलो
sir.
अभी तुम लोग को ना नीट एग्जाम में कोई भी पेडिग्री आने दो, तुम लोग का इतना प्रैक्टिस हो गया है कि यू विल बी परफेक्ट। और ये वाला वाइवा है ना, ये वाला आज का लेक्चर, इसको एक अलग फोल्डर में रख देना, और जस्ट बिफोर द नीट एग्जाम ना एक बार ये पेडिग्री का लास्ट 15-20 मिनट्स देख लेना।
हाँ।
पेडिग्रीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और ये 20 मिनट का लेक्चर एक अलग फोल्डर में रख के जस्ट बिफोर योर नीट एग्जाम एक बार रूल्स देख लेना, इन केस यू हैव फॉरगॉटन। और मैं ये वाला आपका पावर पॉइंट आपको मैं पास ऑन करता हूँ।
Yes sir.
तो इसके अंदर से जितने भी पेडिग्री
Yes,
चार्ट्स है ना, ये वाले, ये सारे स्टोर कर देना। चलो, ओके बेटा, चलो, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, बाय बाय।
Thank you
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
beta.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,